Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you a VPN. By this VPN you can play Pubg or Freefire game smoothly. Very easy to run this VPN, and let's see how to install this VPN. At first you have to go to your Google Play Store and tap the search bar and just type 1111 and choose the third number of the application list. This is the application I am looking for. I have already downloaded this application. Just open the application. After opening, you can see this type of interface on the application. Tap next and accept the terms and condition. After accept, you can see this type of interface and press OK. Not finished the installation, don't skip the video friends. You can see a disable switch in the middle of the display. Just enable it and install the VPN profile and accept all terms and conditions. Very easy to install this application. Here have two options on the settings. You have to choose 111, this type of option. Don't choose War Plus option. In this app you can get free data. Using this app you can play smoothly Pubg and Free Fire, and you don't see any ping on the game. You can customize your settings on advanced option. Which apps you want to run with this VPN, you can add this type of app in this option. By this VPN you don't see any ping on the game, and this is the best VPN on Google Play Store and easy to install. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel. See you again on the next video with another tips and tricks. Goodbye.